Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use the Echo Dot as a Bluetooth speaker for your Mac. So as you can see here, we have our Echo Pop. However, this will work with any Alexa device. You want to open up the Alexa app, go to Devices, select the Amazon Alexa of choice. I'll select this Echo Pop here. Then we want to select Connect a device here in the Bluetooth connections. However, before we do press that, let's head over to the Mac. So now we're on the Mac here and we're in our settings. You want to make sure we go to Bluetooth here and it's turned on. So now we know Bluetooth's on, we can go back to our app on the Amazon Alexa and press Connect a device. It'll start looking for new devices. We can select my MacBook here. And then when we go back to the MacBook, it'll say connection request. We can press connect to confirm it, and that will say it's connected. And we go back to the Echo Pop, it'll tell us that we're connected to my Mac. So now, whenever I play anything on my Mac, until I disconnect it, it will be working as a Bluetooth speaker for me. So that's how to use the Echo Pop, Dot, or any other Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker for Mac. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.